missing lady luck. Ever since she started hating, I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. And the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything? The trains racing by a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space. Yeah, baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't wanna leave nothing true. Baby, this world it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room.
Yung Shrek na yun.
Ate, hi Ate.
Pasok ka.
Ganda ng clouds, ano eh.
Tapos, yung bike na yan, tawag BMX.
Tayo mag-rate kung anong number doon. Ano ka natin?
Paris.
Nice.
Taon na yung mga bata, Jay?
10, 11 po. Ay, 10 and 12 po.
Can I go try that?
Wait lang, mamaya. Ano muna tayo dito?
Lang doon, no?
We're in Baguio. Charot lang. Cute. Golf kami. Ready na silang mag-golf.
Kung ilang, ano niya, ilang stop siya. Matapos.
Yung go.
Ilang, so, na. Oh, lakasan mo. Stop. Oh, ikaw mag-count. 5.
Ay, magaling.
Ay, ang galing ni ate. Isang ano lang.
Bagahe.
Hindi ko pa
Oh no!
Oh, wait, don't. You're not going to go. Wait lang. I see 3 shots dead.
3 yan. Baka 4.
Wait. 4 shots. 5 na yan.
3 pa lang yun. Yay!
How many?
May scorecard kami. Dati ko sino mag-win. Ayan, ang napaganda no?
Sige, 1. 1.
Tingnan mo lang muna kung saan mo tutulak. Pero okay yan, 1.
We're done! Oh, sino nanalo?
Ako.
So, sila.
Nanalo. Dalawa kami nanalo.
Congrats!
Muna yung tubig.
Yes, let's go! Oh, careful, madudumihan yung damit nyo, ha? Nice!
That's the hardest one. Macarol yet. I say, run. Do not run.
Oh, madudumihan yung damit, ah?
Baliktad tayo.
Alam ko.
Uy, paano?
Ganyan. Of course.
Ah. I'll wait for you here. You put up your hand and then you say hooray. Come on.
Wait,
Faster.
who said it was your turn?
And then up. Up. Put up your hand. Put up your hand. Picture kayo dali ni Kuya doon. Up doon.
That was so easy.
Come on.
Ano?
Oh.
Oh, hindi ako kasya.
Hindi ka kasya. Yung dalawang paa mo, separate.
Hindi ako kasya.
Yes. Hi.
Hey, faster,
Say hi.
faster, come on.
Oh, dahan-dahan na. Bababa na.
Huwag na magtulak muna, ha?
Nasaan ang break?
Ha? Ito. Pero huwag ka mag-break.
Huwag muna, timpla.
Simpla.
Uy,
Break, break.
Okay lang.
Saan tayo?
Diyan.
Right. Okay lang kasi bisikleta ito.
Dito pala tayo. Ano ko dun?
Hindi, bike lane to.
Bisikleta ito.
Dito pwede.
Para naman ito talaga sa turista. Tapos ganyan naglalakad yung mga tao.
Hindi na.
Alam mo na ngayon, dito mo talaga sa side. Huwag mo pasinin yung mga bisikleta kasi ride natin ito. Basta ride ka lang.
Ayan, sa likod Ayun bata, tiyo.
Tinitingnan ng mami nila sa baba.
Ang taba.
Kitang-kita, napakaganda ng beach. Diba? Napakaganda ng weather.
Dito, ate.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Chill lang ako.
Chill lang kami.
Kasi mag-ano naman yung bisikleta eh.
Sugar be sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you're falling apart. And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact, he won't show up at all. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it go, baby, go. Grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Just grow, baby, love. Don't let go.
Left at right.
So nice weather.
Laki ng lugar yun. Wala namang tao sa likod. May bisikleta
Wala,
sa likod.
te.
Wala. Yan, si Kuya nakatayo na lang. Kuya, you say hi.
Ano? Oo, gusto mo sa
Okay,
kalsada nga,
control right.
The worlds that we see don't always look the same. Where words have no place and time has escaped. Ooh, that's where our hearts connect. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it go, baby, go. Grow, baby, grow.
Tingnan mo sa loob.
Right? It's like a house. Nice.
Here.
It's a camper van, you see?
Tapos uuwi. Yan. Diba?
Yeah. Oh, diba? Ayun na.
Kanina to.
Pang golf kay ate. I'm just gonna sleep.
I'm a camper.
I'm a camper. Of course. Hi!
What about pa nagtatake a bath?
Dun sa outside. Yan. Nice. Wow. Ayan, massage session. Magkano bayad?
100.
100 yun.
Euros or pesos?
Thank you.
Joseph Carlos.
I'm the videographer. Of course, I'm also the editor.
Toilet muna kami.
Ay, ang ganda nito.
Ay, nice. Those are what you call Bonwagen. So let's go! Where do you want to play?
Next time, dig ko yun.
You want to dig that?
May ikot na, na. Ikot?
Oh, there, oh. There's a swing.
Wait lang.
Try it. Come on.
Nahilo dyan. Ikaw. Wow, I didn't know what that.
Nice.
Dad? This is here. I see it stands with my pants. Nasaan si Tito?
Sa CR siya.
What's that?
But it's wearing my foot.
Okay.
You know why?
What?
Because it got frostbite.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so